In this video, I'll show you how to create a grocery list with ChatGPT. We're gonna go ahead and open ChatGPT and we're gonna create a new conversation by clicking right here. Okay, now it's all about how well we're able to write in a prompt. Remember that ChatGPT is all about being specific and really talking about what you expect or what you want out of any question you're making. So of course, today what we want is to create a really good grocery list that's gonna be super specific for the meal plan or for the specific dietary needs that we have. So we're going to start by saying maybe, hi, can you please create a grocery list for a week of meals? Okay, that's good to start. My favorite foods are pasta, chicken. Let's say I want to start eating more fruits and vegetables. Then remember to add the things that you don't like. So maybe I do not like eggs or fish, and I want to eat 4 to 5 times a day. You can also ask something like, I want to eat 1 to 2 snacks a day. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and click on enter and let's see what ChatGPT does. Now, the great thing about this is that you're going to be able to see a grocery list for a week based on your preferences, and ChatGPT is going to divide each category. So let's say the first thing that it's showing us is the protein that we're going to eat for the week. Then we're going to have our grains and carbs, then our vegetables, fruits, and then of course our snacks and extras, sauces and seasonings, and then breakfast. Now the best thing is that you're going to see an example for a meal plan for each week. So let's say it gave us 2 options for breakfast, oatmeal with berries, Greek yogurt with granola. Then we have 2 options for lunch, dinner, and snacks. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT to make any adjustments. Let's say I don't like peanut butter, or I don't know, pasta with tomato sauce. So I would go ahead and ask ChatGPT, remove the peanut butter and change it to something else. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give you more ideas so you have more menu options for your week. And that's it. I hope this was helpful.